In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your VidIQ account name. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your profile, changing your account name is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the VidIQ website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for VidIQ in your search engine. Once you're on the VidIQ homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do that now using your usual credentials. After you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This is your gateway to your account settings, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with various options related to your account. In the menu that appears, you'll want to find and click on Account Settings. This section is where you can manage all the personal details associated with your account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it contains various settings and preferences that you might find useful. Now, once you're in the account settings, look for the option that says Change Name. This link is your next step in updating your account name. Clicking on Change Name will take you to a form where you can enter your new desired account name. When choosing a new name, keep in mind that it should reflect your brand or personal identity effectively. Once you've decided on a new name, carefully type it into the provided field. Double-check your spelling and ensure that the name is exactly how you want it to appear. After entering your new name, there might be a button or a prompt to save your changes. Make sure you click this to apply the update. If the system asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it! You've successfully changed your VidIQ account name. The change should be reflected immediately across the platform. Remember, updating your account name can be an important part of maintaining a consistent and professional online presence, so choose a name that best represents you or your brand. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Have a great day, and happy analyzing with VidIQ.